It is, do you want to be in the vlog? It is Tuesday, Mom's trying to be in the vlog, the 13th, and I just wanted to show you guys really quick. I had some footage of Mom foiling these, but this is our first full day kind of using this new foil machine, and I just wanted to show you guys how much we got through, because I would say it's probably triple what we would normally do in this amount of time, wouldn't you say?
I think it's as big as my head.
Yeah, the mink foil machines can be very slow, or they are very slow, and this new one is so fast that I'm having a hard time cutting enough for her to have anything to foil. So that's great, but I wanted to show you guys the stack that we've got for today. This is about 150 kits. It's a little bit more than that. So here it is. I do have it pressing under a candle right now. Next to a book, kind of for size comparison. So, or we've got a coffee mug here with some pens. This stack is huge. So I am super excited because we are working through Ultimate Planner sale orders, which normally takes us the entire 2 weeks for processing. But also Aspen did this to me, this scratch on my face. But if this can keep going like this, when I pick listed this morning, this is the entire first sheet of the pick list, which is what normally takes the most amount of time. Because it's obviously the highest numbers of things. So we got through the entire first page of the pick list today. And then tomorrow we are going to switch over and do the April foil bundles, and then probably still UPS because there's not as many of the, like with what we did today, we should be able to get through those in a couple of hours. Those ship on the 15th, and then we're going to begin shipping UPS tomorrow because I have got, do you want to say something?
I believe me foiling machine.
Okay, because we have got some inserts for orders coming, some thank you cards. So I'm going to show you guys those when they come. But yeah, it is now 4 p.m. So this has been since about 10 o'clock this morning, or no, 9 o'clock this morning, 9 or 10 o'clock this morning, probably 10 because I cut for a bit before she started foiling. You guys can see the machines are going right now. I am currently printing a ton of freebies so that those can be started on tomorrow. I've got a small stack right here of some stuff for her to begin on in the morning, and then we will start working on the bundles. I'm probably gonna get footage of me doing that. Aspen really scratched me bad. But today is actually Colby and I's 1-year anniversary. So I'm about to leave here and go home. I got him a present that he actually got last night, and I get to go pick out what I want, which he's just taking me to Lululemon to get a pair of leggings that I want. So it was between that and a big plant. But we were at Sam's the other day and they didn't have them anymore. They had full-grown fiddle leaf figs, probably 6 foot tall. It was bigger than me. They were $70, which is so cheap, but I didn't get one because I wasn't too sure where I was gonna put it. And then when we went back, they didn't have them anymore. So instead, he said we could go find one, but I really don't wanna go all over the place trying to find one. So instead, we are going to go to Lululemon, get a pair of leggings, and then we're going to get dinner out. I don't know where we're gonna go yet. We haven't decided. We wanted to go to where we didn't have our first date. We did takeout because everything was still totally shut down at that point other than takeout. And unfortunately that restaurant, which is a small local place, is closed on Tuesdays. So we can't go there. So we were gonna wait until tomorrow, but I think that tomorrow is gonna be even more intense with work. So we're gonna do it today instead. But yeah, I'm rambling at this point. So I will talk to you guys tomorrow. the thank you cards just arrived. Just stack leaning here. So I did open one pack. So I wanted to kind of show you guys. Lighting is not the best right now. Let me see if I can maybe, yeah, that's a little bit better. So yeah, these are them. They turned out really nicely. I was a little bit nervous because I've read that sometimes with Vistaprint they don't, although that's who I use for the holiday cards every year that have Aussie on them. But yeah, so this is the thank you cards that are gonna go in the orders. I'm really excited for them. I like having the Aussie ones during, like, you know, I normally do them November through December, sometimes a little bit earlier. I feel like it kind of keeps everything held together really nicely, as far as like everything having, like the stickers having a little bit more of a backing in at least one of the packages, because they do curl like this for premium matte. I think it kind of keeps them a bit straighter. Maybe I'm wrong though. Maybe by the time they get there that they're already straight. But yep, these are them. And yeah, I'm going to get all of these put up. And we are now waiting on blades and mats. Not really mats, but we are waiting on blades. I've got a shipment coming tomorrow. All but 2 of the portraits decided that the blades were gonna die today, but we do have another large stack finished. I've got more here. My camera just turned off, currently printing more, and that's kind of what I'm doing now. And then I've got a bunch of order stacks over here that I'm about to start going through and pulling things. So yeah, that is what Tuesday is looking like. I will talk to you guys tomorrow. It is Saturday and I am at Mom's. I'm actually getting ready to leave. I don't remember if I got a clip of me actually talking yesterday, but I know that I got some footage of me working and I got some of me today as well. So I actually just packed the rest of the UPS orders. We got them finished. It is about 4 p.m. So it took me a little bit longer than I thought, but I wanted to come over here today and get those finished because we were so close last night. Although now that I realize what time it is, I guess we weren't as close as I thought because it took me about 5 hours. But still, I am absolutely thrilled. That means that we got these done within technically still, let's see, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. It's technically in 6 days because I didn't really work on Monday. I did come over here and print some. There was some stuff that I got done. I think I cut a little bit maybe, but still, that was with us just doing like 9 to 5 as well. Yesterday I worked until about 7 p.m. but we got them done so fast, and that is because of that new foiling machine. It is just so quick. So I am super pumped. I've got them with me. It is Saturday. I'm gonna wait to drop them off until Monday morning. I don't like the idea of just leaving them. So yeah, that's just like, I'm just so excited. We have one open order right now that came in this morning, and I was gonna pull it as well, but we were missing something and I need to get back to the dogs. So that's what I did on Saturday. I got footage for it. I think I got a decent amount of footage of us doing UPS this time. I'm so excited that we got these done this early. So what I'm gonna do is, we will have $2 Tuesday this week. I'm gonna get that done tomorrow. I'm thinking about doing a vault $2 Tuesday instead of designing something new. And then I'm gonna get some design work done tomorrow as well, so that we can go ahead and get those going for next week, so that hopefully with this new machine, we can get a little bit closer to being ready to ship. That is really hard for us because of $2 Tuesday. If I cut that out, we wouldn't have any issues, but yeah, I'm super excited. So I haven't eaten, and like I said, it's 4 o'clock. So I'm about to go home, eat something, take the dogs probably. It's kind of chilly, but probably take the dogs, or at least go out in the backyard with them and run them for a bit, because I've been gone most of the day. I feel awful because Colby is at work, by the way. I normally won't leave them this long, but anyway, I'm gonna stop rambling so I can get home to them. I just wanted to update you guys, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Guys, it is Saturday night. No, it's Sunday. Is it Sunday?
Sunday.
It's Sunday. Yeah, that's right, because I worked yesterday. So Colby just got home. We are going to go run a couple of errands that I didn't want to do by myself. Aspen is currently in the yard throwing a tennis ball to herself. But yeah, you want to say hi?
Hey peeps.
So I ended up designing most of today. I took the dogs to the lake. She's literally throwing a ball for herself. I took the dogs to the lake, and then came back, worked out, and now we are going to go grab some food, and then also just a couple of errands, some house things that I need.
We're getting some Mexican.
We're gonna get some Mexican food. I'm just happy I don't have to cook. So anyway, that's what's going on. I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. That helps me to know what it is that you guys wanna see. And I will, okay, I will talk to you guys next time. Bye guys. Say bye.